Howdy everyone, how are you? Hope you all must be doing fine. Today I have come up with another topic, that is how you can stay away from unwanted thoughts. You know one word, two words, face mask. You use face mask to protect your body, to guard your body from unwanted substances and germs. Same is with our mind. You have to wear one mind mask. The day you wear mind mask, it means you use this mind mask to protect your mind from unwanted thoughts, unwanted fears, and unwanted anxiety. Why I'm asking you to wear mind mask? Because I have worn this mind mask, and the day I wore this mind mask, ever since I have been becoming productive. Last year I wrote one book. This year till month of May it is gonna be published. How it has been done? Because I have worn the mind mask. You people use face mask just because of the pandemic situation. This pandemic situation has come only last year. It came last year. You feel it. Unwanted thoughts have been in our mind since our childhood. Unwanted fears in our heart, in our mind since our childhood. They all have come just because of the fear. We felt insecure, that's why everything came in our mind. You have to use mind mask. What would happen if you use the mind mask? If you use the mind mask, you will feel very, very happy. You will start doing something better. You will start becoming productive. How you can use the mind mask? How you can wear the mind mask? It's also another question. Do the gratitude. Since morning, the moment you get up, you do the gratitude. Give plenty of thanks, plethora of thanks to those people who have done something good to you, and they have done something good in your life. And the moment you sleep, before sleeping, again do the gratitude. Write it down in your notebook. You can do it. In beginning you would face some problems. I faced too. You would face some challenges. So did I. But now I don't face, because I have been doing it. I have got accustomed to doing it. You can do it also. Do the gratitude. The moment you do the gratitude, the moment you start doing the gratitude, you know what would happen? You will wear the mind mask, which is really more important than your face mask. Thank you guys for listening to me. Wear the mind mask and tell me how you got the benefits and how would you get the benefits. Tell me these all things. I would be waiting for your waiting for your feedback. Give your feedback. It would be my privilege. Thanks guys for listening to me. Have a nice time ahead.